Hi everyone, my name is Atipat, and with my team member Nitika and Manisha, today we are going to present the Australian population analysis and prediction. So the aim of this presentation is to describe and analyze census data gathering from the Australian Bureau of Statistics and also to forecast the population in 2050 for gather census data.
Data gathering. Data gathering is nothing but collecting the information. Collecting the data from ABS from 2001 to 2021 based on three councils, that is Melbourne City Council, City of Whitehorse and Wyndham City Council. Collecting data for the postcodes within the councils from the year 2001 to 2021.
First thing we were talking about the descriptive analysis for City of Melbourne. The average female population is higher than male population, and the median is higher than mean value for female data, which means the data is left skewed. On the other hand, for male data, the data will be the right skew. For City of Whitehorse, the average of female population is higher than male, and which is the same for median for male is slightly higher than means, which means the data is slightly skewed towards left, and for female, the data is slightly light skewed. For Wyndham City Council, the female population seems to be higher, and the both male and female data is left skewed.
Coming to the hypothesis testing part, we have taken a consolidated data first, where we have consolidated data of all the councils together. So our hypothesis statement here would be to check whether the male and female population is balanced or not. So for checking that, initially we need to check whether the variance between these sample sets is equal or it is unequal. So we conducted F-test. And as we can see here, that p-value for F-test is 0.49, which is greater than 0.05, which means that we accept null hypothesis and reject alternate hypothesis. So as a result, variance of male and female population in the sample is equal. So going ahead, we conducted a t-test where since we have established now the variance is equal, so we conducted t-test assuming equal variances. The p-value is less than 0.05, so we accept null alternate hypothesis and reject null hypothesis. So as a result, it is significant that male and female population is not balanced if we take the data as whole. So to study each of the populations, we further dive down to each of the council. So first, we looked on Melbourne City Council. So in Melbourne City Council, similarly, we conducted the F-test for checking the variances and then the t-test, because the variance was equal. So we conducted t-test assuming equal variance. And we found out that similar result, that it says that male and female population are not balanced. Mean and median values indicate female population is higher in Melbourne City Council than male. City of Whitehorse. So we conducted again the similar test and the results were not different. The results were same, that male and female population are not balanced. City of Whitehorse Council also, females were higher than males. Going ahead to Wyndham City Council. Wyndham City Council, the results were same for the t-test, that male and female population is not balanced. But here the difference was male was slightly higher than females. Then we moved on to the statistical prediction. For statistical prediction, first we required to find the outliers. So we had the box plot, and with the interquartile range, the box plot values indicates that there are no outliers. We calculated the correlation coefficient between the samples and checked that relation between the increasing years and increase or decrease in the population is linearly related. We did a linear regression wherein we have formed a linear regression equation, which is stated here. And when we put value of x as 20 2050 in the linear equation, it gives a prediction for 2050 as 365,710 in Melbourne City Council. Wherein similarly we did the outliers, but there were no outliers in city of Whitehorse as well. And the correlation between the years and the population was linear. So we again did the linear regression equation for the city of Whitehorse Council, and we came across the given regression equation. We predict the population of city of Whitehorse as 232965. Moving ahead to Wyndham City Council. Again, we could not find any outliers, and the correlation value was close to 1 between the years and the population data. So we established a linear relationship, and we conducted linear regression analysis. And when we put the value of X as 2050, it gives us 636267 as the predicted population in 2050 for Wyndham City Council.
In conclusion, so the overall male and female population in all the councils are not balanced as suggested by the statistical test. The male population is more than female population in Wyndham City Council while in City of Whitehorse and Melbourne City Council, the female population is more than male. The total population in 2050 will be around 1,200,000 people for 3 councils. And thank you for your attention.